Good morning, dear students. Look here. Now, problems connected to circles. In these figures, here is actually not given. In a circle, AB and CD are two chords, and AB parallel to CD, that's given. The diameter is 50 centimeter, AB equal to 40 centimeter, CD equal to 30 centimeter. Remember, AB parallel to CD, that's given. Find the distance between the chords if they are on either side of the diameter. Another question, they are on the same side of the diameter. You look at the figure. In this figure, PQ is the diameter, AB is, you see that? AB is upper side and CD is lower side. That means either side of the diameter. That is the first question. Second question, they are on the same side. AB and CD are on the same side of the diameter. You see that? Are you ready to do it? Now, PQ is the diameter given as 50. So, the radius is 50 divided by 2 equal to 25. If you draw the perpendiculars like this, M and A, draw the perpendicular. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. If you draw the perpendicular AB equal to 40, then AM and BM, both of them are 40 divided by 20. This is 20, this is also 20. Similarly, CN equal to ND equal to 50, 30, CD is 30. 30 divided by 2 equal to 50. This is 50. Is it clear? And the radius, you draw the radius, you get here 25. This is the figure. Is it clear? Now look very carefully here. Now consider the triangle AMO. It's a right triangle. The hypotenuse is OA square equal to AO square, AM square plus OM square. Therefore, OM square means distance equal to OA square minus AO square, AM square. Hypotenuse square minus side square. That is 25 square minus 20 square is 625 minus 400, 225. OM square is 225. OM, that is the distance equal to root of 225 equal to 50. Is it clear? Root of 225 is equal to 50. This distance equal to 50. Is it clear? And similarly, you can find the distance ON also. Are you ready? Look at the figure. Consider the triangle CN. That's also right triangle. This is the hypotenuse. OC square equal to ON square plus CN square. So ON square equal to OC square minus CN square is 20. OC 25, CN 50. That is 625 minus 225 equal to 400. Therefore, ON is root of 400, that's equal to 20. This is 20. Is it clear? So, by using that formula, you find the distances OM and ON. And look at the figure. In the first question, we want to see the distance between the chords. Remember, they are parallel. So, the distance MN, you see the distance between the chords MN equal to 15 plus 20. If they are on either side of the diameter, the distance MN is 15 plus 20 equal to 35. Clear? And if they are on the same side, this distance is 20, this distance is 15. So this gap, that is 20 minus 15. So in that figure, here it is M and N. So Mn is equal to 20 minus 15 equal to 5 centimeter. So question number 1, the distance between the chords, if they are on either side, you add it, you get 35. Question number 2, if they are on the same side of the diameter, 20 minus 15 equal to 5. Is it clear? Okay. You watch very carefully the video, then answer it. Okay. Next one. There are two concentric circles. Concentric circle means circles with the same center and different radius. And there is a isn't it? Then AB is chord of the circle, larger circle, and CD is chord of the smaller circle. You see the figure clearly. We want to prove AC equal to BD. We want to prove AC equal to BD. Are you ready? Draw a perpendicular OP. So in figure, given that AB is a chord of the larger circle, it touches C and D of the smaller circle. We want to prove AC equal to BD. Are you ready? Draw OP. If it is perpendicular, you studied that AP equal to BP. That's by theorem. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chords. These two are equal. You write the theorem in brackets. Similarly, you consider the chord CD. You get CP equal to D. They are on the same theorem. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chords. And AC, you see AC equal to AP minus CD. Similarly, BD, look at the figure. BD minus BD and BP minus D. You see that? AP is already equal to BP, CP is already equal to. So equals are subtracted from equal. Right? Idea is there. The 10 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 10 ആണ്, ഇത് 4 ആണ്, ഇത് 4. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. That minus 4 is equal to 6. That is equals are subtracted from equals. The remainders are equal. It is not necessary. You write the line AC equal to. That is a final answer. Is it clear? Okay. ഇനി ടെക്സ്റ്റിലെ ഫുള്ള് നിങ്ങൾ വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിന് വേണ്ട പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഞാൻ എടുത്തു തരാം കേട്ടോ. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ സിലബസിൽ കുറേ ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാം കൂടി വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടത് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞാൻ തരാം. അപ്പോൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം പേജ് നമ്പർ 179 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 10.25 figure. Just minutes. 4. Question number 4. Page number 125, question number 4. And you try question number 1 also. That is exercise 10.4. Try question number 1. So 1 and 4. Okay. See you in the next class. All the best.